brother ko, nagte-text na siya. Sabi niya, hi Gada, text pa lang yun. Kasi that was 2009. Text siya, hindi ko siya nare-replyan. Tapos nung siguro nainip na siya, niloadan niya ako ng 300. Oh my God, nalaman na.
Sa kanya yung niloadan ko ng 300 kaagad. Para wala nang dahilan para hindi mag-reply dun sa 100 text ko araw-araw. So, ganun ako manligaw. Kailangan sagutin niya ako in 3 days. Pag ayaw, ayoko din.
Nahulog na ako. Nahulog na sa'yo. Nahulog na ako. Nahulog na sa'yo.
Nag-reply ba siya nung niloadan mo?
Hindi, kasi ewan ko ba dun? Kaya niloadan ko uli, 500 na.
Isang tingin mo lang, tapos na ang usapan. Isang tingin mo lang, nahulog sa upuan. Isang tingin mo lang, tiyak na sa isipan. Isang tingin mo lang, hanggang wala lang ako. Kamay ay nalalamig, hindi na mapakali. Madadampian ba kahit anino mo?
Ang sarap, panayan with
Hihila na ako. Saan ba to papunga? Sa upuan bang ito? Palapit sa'yo. Isang tingin mo lang, tapos na ang usapan. Isang tingin mo lang, nahulog sa upuan. Isang tingin mo lang, tiyak na sa isipan. Isang tingin mo lang, hanggang walang bago. Isang tingin mo lang, walang pag-alilangan. Lahat na simulan sa dalawang upuan. Hindi sinasadya, mahulog sa kaibigan. Isang tingin mo lang, at sa'yo naman ako.
To our beloved Tosh and Ella, to your parents, to your families and relatives, my beloved brothers and sisters in Christ, it is our joy to welcome all of you to the Manila Cathedral this afternoon as we all together witness the love of Tosh and Ella.
Boss ko siya. OJT niya ako. Na kilala ko siya. We have common friends. Yung boss niya is friend ko. And then, ayun, nung nakita niya ako dun sa office ng boss niya, inalok niya ako mag-OJT sa kanila. And that's how everything started. Yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko kay Tosh, na I always feel na protected ako sa kanya when I'm with him. Yun yung calling ko na he's the one.
Ella, first and foremost, we both share the belief that our family is the most important thing and should always be the priority in our lives. Over the past 14 years, we have built the foundation of loving relationship that I know will stand up to the last test and time.
Nung first time niya kasi ako niyakap, iba yung pakiramdam. When you know the person is right, you will feel secured. You will not worry about everything. Ganun yung naramdaman ko kay Tosh. Yun yung pinakaminahal ko sa kanya. Pag niyakap niya na ako, lahat ng problema ko, feeling ko, hindi ko na kailangan problemahin. Because I have him. I am with him.
Tosh and Ella, pinapalalim ng Diyos at binubuksan niya ang katotohanan na biyaya kayo sa bawat isa. That you are an answered prayer to each other. Ella, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Tosh, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Dance with me under the diamonds.
Yes, Father.
See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with
I wrote this 15 years ago. Mahal, from the moment our path crossed, I knew my life would never be the same. I have learned so much about you, and together we have adjusted, sacrificed, and celebrate countless things.
Mahal, sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. See you later. I love you.
that you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only thing I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not
I extend my hands to protect you and to help you whenever you need my help. Mahal ko, I love you very much. I cannot wait to spend my rest of my life to you, my loving wife. I love you, Ella.
I don't know what I did to be so lucky to have you, and I don't know how I could ever repay you. Except because you always put me first, I will also put you first, forever and ever. I choose you today, tomorrow, and for all the days to come. I love you so much.
yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.